Do you want to make more after all? Maybe she does. You just had to burp. Okay. Okay, I think she's officially conked, so I'm gonna gently raise her back up. I'll take the straps first. She faked me out once. We'll see if she's really done nursing. Carry the looseness around. It looks looseness now. Did you drop it? Uh-oh. Can you get it in a minute just so we can grab it for him? I don't want him to climb down right in the middle of there. Okay. You don't see it? Maybe you didn't actually drop it, Toka. Okay, and then the waist belt too. Just retighten where it is now. Lovely. Nice and spread. Lovely. Just spreading these a bit. You want your bread cut? I would just eat it, honey. It's just toast. You don't want the whole thing, you're saying?
No.
Okay, well hold on.
I want to cut it.
I'm not able to cut it yet. You gotta wait 1 second. Savage meatball eating over there. Okay. All cleaned up again. Tucked up, but
I took him
comfy.
my
A nice test is, can I lean over at least a little bit? She's not hinging hips. Can I lean over? Yes, I can. I can see her. I can kiss her. She's comfy. Her legs can swing free. So yeah, I really like spreading those passes actually. He's not like cut into her at all. So. Delightful.